Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our beef. Take 900 grams of beef chuck and cut it into cubes. Toss these cubes with 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. This step is crucial because the flour helps to thicken the stew as it cooks, and the seasoning adds flavor right from the start. You'll know it's well coated when the beef pieces have a light, even dusting of flour. Next, let's get our vegetables ready. Dice 2 large onions and slice 2 leeks, 5 carrots, and 4 parsnips. The key here is to keep the pieces relatively uniform so they cook evenly. A common mistake is cutting them too small, which can make them mushy. Aim for bite-sized pieces and you'll be on the right track. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, preheat your slow cooker on high. This helps to get things going faster once everything is in. Add 480 milliliters of beef stock, 80 milliliters of red wine, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. This mixture will form the rich, flavorful base of your stew. You'll know it's ready when the liquid is well mixed and aromatic. Add the diced onions, sliced leeks, carrots, parsnips, the floured beef, 2 bay leaves, and 1 sprig of rosemary to the slow cooker. Stir everything together to ensure the ingredients are well combined. This step is important because it ensures that all the flavors meld together as they cook. You'll see it's ready when everything is evenly distributed in the pot. Set your slow cooker to cook on high for 5 hours or on low for 8 hours. The choice depends on your schedule, but either way, you'll end up with tender beef and perfectly cooked vegetables. You'll know it's done when the beef is fork tender and the vegetables are soft but not falling apart. While the stew is cooking, let's prepare the dumplings. In a bowl, combine 125 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan, and a pinch of salt. Stir in 125 grams of yogurt and knead briefly until you have a soft dough. If it's too dry, add a little water. The dough should be slightly sticky, but manageable. Once your dough is ready, divide it into small balls. These will be your dumplings. A trick I've learned over the years is to make them about the size of a golf ball. This size ensures they cook through evenly. If they're too big, they might not cook all the way through. When the stew is done, give it a good stir and remove the bay leaves and rosemary sprig. This step is crucial because these herbs have done their job of infusing flavor and are no longer needed. Add the dumplings on top of the stew, cover, and cook for an additional hour. You'll know the dumplings are ready when they've puffed up and are firm to the touch. Finally, taste your stew and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Serve your stew hot and enjoy the comforting flavors of this hearty dish. The stew should be rich and savory, with tender beef and fluffy dumplings. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.